It's a blessing that wouldn't quit, a gift that won't stop giving. At the latest Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair in Davao del Norte has been the biggest wealth-spreading event thus far. Over 900 million in cash assistance handed out, 253 government and services up for grabs, and 250,000 beneficiaries with millennials and students sharing in the graces and giveaways. As we hear the full story from our Mela Las Moras.
Roy arrived early in the morning at the Davao del Norte Sports and Tourism Complex to participate in the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair. As a college student, Roy said any assistance would be a big help to him. Good thing he received 2,000 pesos in educational assistance along with 5 kilograms of rice.
Makatulong po ito sa kanang especially sa tuition fee, and then sa mga financial sa mga estudyante.
Another student, Rosine, also received the same aid. That's why she expressed deep gratitude to the administration as this would really help her make ends meet.
Actually, usually pong ginagastos ay para sa research namin, thesis at saka sa pang-araw-araw na allowance. So, hindi talaga madali para gumastos para sa isang estudyante na katulad ko.
House Speaker Martin Romualdez led the launching of the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair in Davao del Norte along with 167 congressmen. All in all, a total of 250,000 residents benefited from over 913 million pesos or almost 1 billion pesos worth of government services for the province.
Nandito talaga tayo kay yun ang trabaho ng mga kongresista. Gumawa ng batas, gumawa ng budget para mga programa kagaya itong Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair ay may ilalatag natin, ilalaan natin ang ating isang magandang budget. At kung magandang implementasyon, kasi hindi lang legislasyon, pero implementasyon ang habol natin.
Apart from the BPSF Caravan, also launched in the province were vital programs like Integrated Scholarship and Incentives or ISIP for the Youth, the Startup Investments Business Opportunity and Livelihood or CBOL program, and the Cash Assistance and Rice Distribution or CARD program. Due to the abundance of blessings the province received, the local government officials were truly grateful.
On behalf of the people of our province, maraming salamat House Speaker Martin Romualdez sa hindi lang pagdala, ngunit sa pagsasagawa ng pinakamalaking Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair dito sa ating probinsya.
Meanwhile, for the first time, former President and now Pampanga's 2nd District Representative Gloria Macapagal Arroyo also participated in the BPSF Caravan and other programs.
Congratulations to the people of Davao del Norte and Tagum City, and many thanks to President Marcos and Speaker Romualdez.
Overall, this was the assessment of Speaker Romualdez.
Napaka-successful ito, kaya napasalamat ako sa ating mahal na Presidente. Kaya ito po ang vision niya na ilapit ang ating gobyerno sa taong bayan at ito na nangyayari ngayon.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.